press the up and the power button at the same time. Up volume and the power. Up volume and the power at the same time. Let's start. Up volume like this and power. You must press and hold the both till the screen lights on. Now leave the power button and hold on the up volume. Leave the power button and hold on the up volume. Leave the up volume. Now you are going to remove no command. So press on the up and the power button, up volume and the power button at the same time like this. Press at once. Press like this. Press. Press. So let me show you. Press. Press. Sometimes you must press them like 5 to 10 times. Here, use the down volume to move and the power as OK. And select factory reset. Factory wipe data factory reset here. And press the power button. And select yes and press the power button. Now press OK to reboot your phone, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial, and don't check below the description how to bypass Google account on Infinix S650 without PC. Thank you for this video.